This rarely available suite has it all. Quiet and unobstructed west-facing views, an incredible space with more than 1,400 square feet, and a price that I think will surprise you. Welcome to 3000 Bathurst Street, Suite 1111. Come on in, let me show you around. The expansive living and dining room with wall-to-wall west-facing windows is perfect for entertaining and family time. The large eat-in kitchen offers tons of cabinetry and storage space. The roomy den would make an ideal third bedroom, home office, or family room. The spacious primary bedroom has a walk-in closet and 5-piece ensuite. A well-sized second bedroom and main bathroom complete the suite. This sought-after building has 24-hour concierge, a fitness room and lounge, and it's surrounded by restaurants, shops, and transit at your door. An incredible suite, incredible value. Don't miss it. Book your showing today.